Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan Newtone. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Broan model 157 surface mount ceiling heater. The purpose of the video is if this heater were to fail, what you can do to take a look at and get it working again. So let's get started. All right, the first thing you want to do when going up inside this unit to fix is to make sure the power is disconnected to this 157 ceiling heater. So go and turn that breaker off at that breaker box to make sure that power is not coming up to this unit. Next thing you would do to get inside this unit, we would have to take this aluminum grill cover off. There's one screw in the center, and I'm going to go ahead and remove that one screw. Keep in mind this unit is on a table, not mounted in a ceiling right now for filming purposes. Once you loosen the screw, grill comes off, set it to the side. There's a few screws that you need to remove, and the number one failure if this unit is not working, meaning you have no heat coming off the coils, the motor is not spinning, there's a thermal overload. It's a thermolink that's inside this unit, and I'm going to show you how to get at that thermolink. You have to remove a few screws, and there's 3 of them that you're going to remove first, and there's one here, one here, and one right here. It would be the screws that are not connected to the coil. You can see there's a screw here, but there's a bracket and the coil goes through it. You don't want to remove those screws. You want to remove the other ones here, just like I'm doing. So screw 1, screw number 2, and screw number 3. Next, there are 2 more screws that we want to remove inside this unit. And I'm going to take my screwdriver and kind of point it. You have this white wire right here. You're going to remove this screw coming off that terminal. It's actually where the coil is fastened to, and the other screw would be this screw where the other side of this coil comes into that housing. And I'm going to go ahead and get those 2 screws removed. Alright. Once those 2 screws are removed, this is what the bottom looks like. Again, that's the coil, the heating coil. Right here is this thermolink that I've been talking about. Now, a lot of people ask me, Chuck, how come that thermolink failed? And the number one reason is that the unit overheated, and that is because we failed to clean this grill. If you see a lot of dust and lint start building up on this grill, clean it. Once these holes are filled, air can't get through it. You need air to cool these coils. This fan basically blows air, brings in air, and air blows across this coil. If those holes are blocked, you can't bring in the air. What happens is the heat's got nowhere to go, and it gets so hot that this thermal protector, this safety device, opens up and stops electricity going to the heating coil and motor. You can check if you have a meter. You can actually check continuity across this thermolink. This one's going to be good because I just got this out of stock. But if I check continuity, I have a little beeper on my meter. You can hear that. It's telling me it's good. If all of a sudden I touch both sides and I didn't get that beep or a reading on my meter, that would tell me that that thermal overload is open. So, and that's really all there is to changing that thermal link out. You would take this screw and this screw, and that thermolink would come out. You would order a new thermolink. You can go online and order it, or you can call our customer service here at Broan. So I hope this video helps. Thanks. Bye.